Pick it up, follow it.
Pick up the string. Has he got it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Careful, Mommy, it's very slippery.
What the heck is going on?
Wow, where's this thing go? I think we caught Santa.
What?
I think we got Santa somewhere.
Do you think Santa got caught?
He got caught in Daddy's trap. Hey,
Okay, let's just follow it, Bray. You can just.
come on, just follow it. Hold on, wait for Daddy.
Maybe you should hold on to it. Can't keep up.
Where's it go?
Pick it up if you can't see it.
Can you see it?
What's that? Oh, Jay, he's gonna.
Where are you going? It's over here. Let go.
Let go of it. Just follow it more.
Oh, it goes near Daddy's truck. It goes near Daddy's truck. Where is it?
Caught Santa.
Huh?
I did caught Santa.
Oh, hurry up. It goes near your swing set. Hurry up. No, it's over here.
We already went this way.
I know, but we gotta follow the string, dude. It might lead us.
Try this swing set.
Hurry up, go.
Guys, it's up here. Let's go.
No, it's over here. Look, it's right there. Where's it go? Oh, it goes under the side. Go under the side.
Look, what happened?
Hurry up, keep on following. Pick it up, go, follow it.
Quick, come on. Come on.
Go. Where's it go?
It goes in the garage.
Oh my gosh.
What the? It's
What's
in the garage.
Don't tug on it.
Santa might be in there.
Oh my God, who opened that? It's your kid! What?
Careful.
That's awesome!
Easy.
This looks like my dad's.
Brady, do you love it? Look at it.
What do you think, dude?
Look, the string was tied on it?
Yeah. Santa must have brought it in the house, left it in the house.
Want to make sure you found it.